Yo, what is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm really excited to show you how you guys can actually get a lot of Microsoft reward points. See, this video is one of a kind because I don't really think anybody knows where to actually get some, because most of the videos here are pretty much BS, like nothing actually works. But I really found how to get them, and it's super amazing. I'm really happy. You can actually redeem, if you didn't know that, Microsoft, you can actually redeem it to any gift card, or like if you play Roblox, you can get free Robux and a lot of things. So it is really helpful, guys. So make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you like this video. Okay, anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna tell you how you guys can get this almost every single day. And no, this is not a glitch or a hack that eventually get your account banned or any of that. It's actually a way I'm gonna show you where you guys can actually earn Microsoft reward points, but not from here, from a third-party website that actually pays 10 times, even maybe 100 times more than what this earn page does. So it's really simple. All you'll need is a mobile device. It is highly recommended. Why? Because you get more points from actually completing stuff on your mobile device than actually doing it on the computer. So if you have an iPhone, an Android, a tablet, iPad, that should work. So all you guys have to do is just visit the site that offers this system. So all you guys have to do is visit this link. It is dojomods.com. It's dojomods.com. Make sure you guys pause the video, write it somewhere, and then just follow along. And then it should look like this. The moment the website loads, you should find this: earn Microsoft reward points. Click on earn, and then it should take you to this site. So why it should take you to this site? Because this is how you're supposed to earn the points. So all you guys have to do is just enter the Microsoft email that is linked with the one that you want the reward points on. So you only need to enter your email. There's no password, nothing. This is 100% safe, and I've tried it myself. So once you enter your email, you're gonna be redirected to a page where you guys can earn. So basically, the more you complete some simple tasks, like literally download an app for absolutely free, they give you like around 50,000 Microsoft points for it just by downloading it. And it's pretty simple. It's really easy. I'm not gonna go into depth with it because the video is gonna be super long. Then I might actually make another video explaining it how to do it, but it's pretty simple. Like once you see the page, you're gonna understand it, and you just refresh the page and you'll get your Microsoft points. I just made this video really quickly, no preparations at all, so I hope it actually you find it useful. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe below if you want more videos like this. I'll be glad to do it, but this is once in a lifetime, guys. You guys got nothing to lose. Usually sometimes all the offers are capped, and they're not available anymore. So if you actually find them, make sure you do them, because you are lucky if you actually find them. So you just redeem all the points, do them all. You got nothing to lose. That's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Peace out.